Hi, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories in Margate, Florida, and today we're going to talk about some step bars for a Jeep JK. So come on over this way and take a look at this beautiful red Jeep. I gotta say, I really love this look. It's got a nice lift on it. It's got beautiful wheels and tires. Now, of course, what we just did is added the nfab drop-down steps. Now, besides making this Jeep look better, they're definitely functional. As you can see, this Jeep has a lift on it, and you really do need a nice heavy-duty step here. I can put in there, got a little grip here. As you can see, real easy to get in there. Holds a big guy like me, no problem. Of course, it is a front and rear step. It looks good. As you can see, it matches the fenders of the Jeep. So it really just works very nicely looks-wise. But these are heavy-duty. He's going to take some abuse. He's going to protect the side. If this customer wants to do off-roading, this does do a good job at protecting the sides of the Jeep. And the most important thing, it helps you get in the Jeep because he does have a big lift. And I tell you, when I was bringing around back before I put him on, I said, there's a little bit of work to get in there. So I went, this is the nfab, and these are the what is it called, the EPYX, I think is the new name for them. And these are the drop steps. And again, I just love the styling, how well they're built, and just, they look terrific. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel and always hit that like button. We do appreciate that. And if you like these videos and you want to see us do a video on something else, we do a lot of installs. If you want something specific, say it and we'll do it. Thanks. This is Chris with C&H.